Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a live unboxing and review of this 3-pack of hair towels that I just recently purchased on Amazon. As you can see, it is actually vacuum sealed. Use the, oh, it's alive. Ah, do y'all see that? It's growing. I love a good vacuum seal. So what I'm going to be reviewing in here is the softness. Like, do I actually like the way these things feel? And I'm also gonna just put it in my hair today with you guys, okay? There are 3 of them in here. I've got a teal color, and as you can see from the top of my standing desk, I love teal. I also got a pink color here, which you can see from the back of my office. I also love pink. And last but not least, we've got like a navy color. And talk about the softness first. So it almost feels like felt. That's the best way that I can describe this. But it's a decent material. All the other things that I've purchased in the past felt very towely, if that makes sense. This does not feel towely. It does not feel like a towel. It feels more like, have you guys ever heard of the thing called a bath sheet? I think is what it's called. It's a very, very soft, long towel. That's what this more so reminds me of, and a combination of like felt, okay? This is the only qualm that I have with this. This is really small and I have really thick hair. I would personally like this to be a little bit bigger, but I will say we do have a big button. All right, so obviously my hair is dry right now, so it's a little bit harder to put in, but it's a really good size. I mean, I actually really like it. It was really easy to put my hair in there. It was a really, really great diameter, even with my hair not being wet, which means, by the way, when your hair is wet, it's obviously going to be thinner, that you could easily wrap it up, but my hair is in here fully, and my hair is down to my butt crack, okay? So this is a really, really good towel overall, and I'm excited to actually use it now with water.